Ever notice how scrolling feels like eating chips? You're not even hungry, but suddenly the bag's empty. Here's the thing. Your days can be so packed with fun, real-life stuff, that your phone becomes meh. Plan with intention, but make it playful. Step 1. Ditch the boring to-do lists. Instead, theme your days, like Wild Wednesday. Try a new coffee shop, take a weird workout class, or finally test that TikTok pasta recipe. Write down one tiny adventure for tomorrow, not clean my room, but dance in the park at sunset, or bake cookies shaped like my pet. When your plans sound like a party invite, you'll want to show up. Embrace the 5-minute rule for spontaneity. Here's my secret. If something cool crosses your mind, I should learn pottery, or what's that bookstore downtown like? Give it 5 minutes right now. Text a friend to join, Google the class, or just walk out the door. Scrolling often starts with, "I'm bored." But boredom is just your brain begging for a plot twist. Create scroll-free zones, and make them irresistible. Delete the apps? Sure, but let's go bigger. Design spaces where your phone can't follow. My desk has a no-phone drawer, and my porch is a scroll jail. Fill those zones with stupidly fun distractions, puzzles, a guitar, a bucket of sidewalk chalk. Pro tip, buy a $10 karaoke mic. Trust me, belting off key Disney tunes beats TikTok any day. Hack your boredom triggers. Next time you reach for your phone, pause. Ask, am I avoiding something? Stress, awkward silence, laundry. Instead of numbing it, hijack it. Stressed, scribble rant poetry. Bored at a party, challenge someone to a thumb war. Awkward? Own it. Say, wow, this is awkward. Want to make it weirder? Life gets fun when you treat discomfort like a game. Build a life playlist. Think of your week like a playlist. Too much scrolling? That's hitting repeat on the same sad song. Add new tracks, sunrise walks, mini road trips, or a 3 p.m. dance break. My rule: one unexpected thing daily. Yesterday, I taught my neighbor's cat to high five. Tomorrow, who knows? But it'll beat staring at a screen. Your phone's a tool, not a life. The more you fill your days with, wait, that was awesome moments, the less you'll crave the scroll. Try this for 48 hours. If it flops, my channel's probably a lie. But if it works, tag me in your I forgot my phone existed adventure. Let's go. Subscribe for more ways to replace scrolling with stories worth telling. And drop your wildest unexpected joy moment below. Best story gets a shout out.